Okay, welcome home, baby.
Babe, did you just buy a PS5?
Yeah, I found this guy on Facebook that was literally selling it for only 200 bucks extra. That's a steal.
I thought we were on a budget, you know, save money for the wedding.
Yeah, I know, but like, didn't you buy that Dior purse like last week?
Purse? What are you talking about?
The one that's sitting beside you.
It's an investment piece.
Okay, what about that Tiffany bag on you, right?
Okay.
The one you just hid behind that pillow? I can actually still see it.
You know, what goes really well with a PS5? Video games. I'm gonna buy you Spider-Man.